Bydden ni'n disgrifio Candide fel anhygoel.
Funny, unexpected.
Explosive.
Absolutely fantastic.
It's fast-moving, it's colourful. It's not the sort of thing that Welsh National Opera normally do.
The whole thing was stunning. I've never seen anything like it.
It's a show worth seeing, definitely.
Oedd y sioe yn dod yn fyw o'r llwyfan rhwng y canu, y drama a'r animeiddiad, oedd e'n hollol anhygoel.
The animation was really clever. How they reflected the storyline and kind of how the actors were involved in those animations as well was really clever.
We loved the sheep and we loved the movement when they were in the vehicles. It was just very different.
They were hilarious. They had just everything and they brought the whole thing to a completely new level of enjoyment.
The music was awesome. It was very light-hearted beforehand, and then suddenly when the war came, it's just certain plot changed to very heavy. It's very unexpected.
I enjoyed the last choral bit because it sent a tingle through me. It was wonderful.
Mae'r cerddoriaeth yn cyfuniad o operetta, o sioe gerdd, so mae rhywbeth mewn i bawb.
From the overture right through to the finale number, there's lots of great tunes in it, lots of humour. It's well worth seeing. It's a tour de force by WNO, I think.
For a first-time opera goer, it would be absolutely ideal because it's got elements of everything. It's the most terrific show. Come and see it. Don't leave it too long because it's going to be sold out.